Hey guys, I'm Elise, digital spokesperson representing Fog Solutions at Microsoft Azure AI events. Our client, an international cleaning products distributor, faced the formidable challenge of managing over 1 million products from more than 7,000 vendors. We helped them turn that complexity into clarity with Microsoft Azure AI. With Azure and Databricks, we streamlined product submissions. AI handles data entry, image validation, translations, and keyword optimization, all in a matter of seconds. The results are outstanding. Tasks that used to take weeks now take hours. Empowering this $15 billion business to grow faster, work smarter, and deliver more value to their customers. Your business deserves real results. Partner with Fog Solutions and reap the rich rewards powered by Microsoft Azure AI.